I'm building my CNC cart / table, and it has drawers underneath the top. And so I'm putting on drawer slides, and I thought I would make a quick video talking about the best screw to use with drawer slides. Now, it depends. If your drawer slide comes with screws, because some of them do, then use those. But if not, number 6 by 1/2 inch. Flathead. Flathead means they're flat on the head, the top. Perfect screw for putting in drawer slides. Also, I highly recommend a Vicks bit for lining up the holes. Put the drawer slide in place, use the holes with the Vicks bit to drill a hole, and then drive in the number 6 screw, and you're aces. It's perfect. I put in a lot of drawer slides, and this is the one. The one. Even when you put these screws in an elongated slot, they'll still lock the slide in place because the underside of the countersunk head will make a small detent in the side of the slot. However, it's not to the point where you can't make adjustments.